Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the controller now, not later. Plug in USB or pair Bluetooth. Install Steam Big Picture or DS4 Windows so Windows recognizes inputs and drivers. Once done, open Steam settings and enable controller support. Choose the correct profile, PlayStation, Xbox, or generic. This step maps inputs and lets Black Ops 3 read buttons correctly, which is why you do it first. Without mapping, inputs may be ignored or misassigned. Once Steam recognizes the pad, launch Black Ops 3 through Steam to ensure mapping carries over. In-game, open controller options and test each button. Reassign any mismatch using Steam/DS4 Windows so triggers and bumpers match expected actions. Make sure to set stick dead zones and sensitivity here because they control aim responsiveness. Too low causes drift, too high makes it twitchy. If you prefer, adjust aim acceleration and invert vertical axis to match. Finish by saving your controller profile and immediately testing in a private match or training area to confirm every input works under gameplay conditions. If you see stick drift or unwanted movement, recalibrate or add a small dead zone in DS4 Windows or Steam. That fixes most analog issues. If the controller stops responding, restart Steam, reconnect the controller, and only then reinstall drivers. These steps resolve driver lockups without losing your custom mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.